In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate tagging in Revit with smart annotation using BIMLOGIQ Copilot. If you want to speed up documentation and make your views more consistent, this is a simple workflow that can save you a lot of time. Instead of placing tags one by one, you can let the tool do the heavy lifting and then make small refinements afterward. Let's walk through the process together. Start by opening your Revit project and going to the specific view where you want your tags to appear. This could be a floor plan, elevation, section, or another working view depending on what you're documenting. It's important to begin in the correct view because the tags will be generated based on what is visible there. Before moving on, it's a good idea to quickly confirm that the elements you want to annotate are clearly displayed. Next, go to the top ribbon in Revit and find the BIMLOGIQ Copilot tab. Click it to open the tool. This is where you'll access the smart annotation features that help automate the tagging process. Once the tool is open, you'll be ready to define exactly what should be tagged. From the main menu, choose the categories of elements you want to annotate. For example, you might select doors, windows, or walls. This step tells the Copilot which types of objects to look for in your current view. Be thoughtful here, because selecting the right categories helps keep the result focused and aligned with your documentation needs. After that, choose your preferred annotation style or rule set from the drop-down list. This allows the tags to follow your project standards, which is especially useful when you're working within an established office workflow or trying to maintain consistency across multiple sheets and views. Taking a moment to choose the correct style now can reduce cleanup later. Once your categories and annotation rules are set, click the Run or Generate button. The Copilot will automatically place the tags throughout the view based on your selections. This is the step where the time savings really happen, especially on larger projects or views with many repeated elements. When the tags have been placed, review the results directly in your model. Look over the layout carefully and check that everything reads clearly. If anything needs improvement, use the quick adjustment tools to fine-tune the placement. Small adjustments can help improve readability and make the final documentation look more polished. And that's all it takes to automate tagging in Revit with smart annotation using BIMLOGIQ Copilot. It's a fast way to save time, improve consistency, and keep your documentation accurate. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips.